Welcome back to Critical Hit Pest Management. Today is February 15th, and we're discussing one of my favorite topics of all time, lawn care, specifically weed control fertilization. It's the first application for round one of the year. I'm excited to take care of all my customers. This is an exciting day for me. I'm here at my own personal house, and I'm going to be doing the application here today and showing you how I do that. I actually use a Turfco T3100. So I'll go in the ins and outs of that, how I utilize that, show you some of the products that I utilize, and lay that all out in this video for you to see. So stay tuned. So when it comes down to using the T3100, this is a beautiful machine. It allows me to get through lawns pretty quick. I'm able to do basically an acre of lawn care in about 20 minutes worth of time. And so this thing is really specific because this nozzle jet, as you can see right here, this nozzle jet actually applies the product at a rate of 1 quart per 1,000 square feet, okay? What that basically means is that every 1 gallon of liquid that comes out of this nozzle here, I'm able to treat 4,000 square feet of lawn, okay? So your average 10,000 square foot lawn, 15,000 square foot lawn, I'm only using upwards of 2 to 3 gallons of product for the entire lawn. So it's highly concentrated, low water volume, which is fantastic. It just allows you to be more efficient. Some of the cool features of the device is that the fact that it's got two 9-gallon tanks, so it holds 18 gallons of liquid altogether. That allows you to do 72,000 square feet at the rate of 1 gallon for every 4,000 square feet. So it's highly effective in that, like I've mentioned. The other cool thing is it's got the steering wheel. You notice how you drive it? It's got a foot pad right there where I can push down and lock the speed in place. This is how you accelerate. This is how you go forward. This is how you go backwards. And these right here are your throw switches. So this will actually engage the sprayer. So you have one for your spray gun, which is right there. Then you have one for the front full spray, and you have one for a trim spray. And again, like I said, the front full spray is right here, and then you have that trim spray nozzle right there. Okay, so for today, we're going to be using two specific products to make the application. The first one is going to be Prodiamine 4L. This is going to give us our pre-emergent application. I'm going to use Prodiamine to start the year versus like a Pendulum AquaCap to give it a little bit more longevity. Prodiamine will last a little longer for the season, and Pendulum AquaCap, it's strong, it's great, but it has just a little bit less of a longevity to it for the season. So I've been using it for the past couple of years. Great results, no big deal. But I wanted to start this year with Prodiamine and give it a little longevity, see if it would change much, anything at all. The second product that we're going to be mixing up today is called Lesco Three-Way. This is like your 2,4-D product. So what I do when I mix up the products for the first application of the year, I'm going with a pre-emergent and post-emergent, pre and post, right? So Prodiamine or Pendulum AquaCap, that would be your pre-emergent, and then your post-emergent would be Three-Way or 2,4-D product. So the crazy thing is that it's February 15th today as I'm filming this. We got another 75-degree weather day, and I looked in my backyard just a little bit ago, and I'm already seeing the grass starting to turn green. So the weeds are already coming. I'm already starting to see weeds pop up throughout the neighborhood. And so I want to get a jump on it. So that's why I'm going to mix up these two today. The other cool thing about what I do is I don't have to put any type of dyes inside of the tank to color the grass green. So it makes it real easy to keep the grass all clean. I'm not going to worry about, tracking stuff all over the concrete. I don't have to worry about staining things from walking from inside and outside of the house. So it's a great way to prevent that. Plus, I hate the way it makes the lawns look. Not a big fan of that. I also will be mixing in a surfactant agent with these two products into the tank to make sure that they are able to stick to the blades of the grass, and it'll actually help penetrate further into the grass. And then once that's all said and done, once this application is made, I will let it set for a few hours, and then I will run my sprinkler system today for about 15 minutes to water everything in.
So I hope this video helps you out, especially if you're trying to do some DIY for your own lawn care. These are just two herbicides that are on the market that I'd utilize. There's so many more that are out there. There's some extremely high ticket ones. There's an herbicide I use towards the end of the year that costs $2,000 a gallon. But these are some great products for you as a DIYer to utilize. You can get your hands on them pretty easily and go about them and spray them somewhat liberally. Just read the label. Always go back and read the label and make sure that you're mixing these things up correctly and applying these things correctly. The Turf Coat itself is a different mixture rate than what you would actually be applying in a backpack sprayer. So keep that in mind. In a regular backpack sprayer that holds about 4 gallons, you're really only mixing up about 0.5 ounces of the products themselves into every single gallon. So a 4-gallon backpack may only get about 2 fluid ounces of the actual herbicide that you would apply across your lawn. And that 4-gallon backpack is going to give you 4,000 square feet. So just keep that in mind. The application rates are different when you're using backpacks. Hope this helps. Leave some comments below. I'd like to answer any more questions you may have about this. This is just a tutorial guide, starter guide to help anybody that's looking to get into lawn care. You know, some of the tricks of the trade, some of the tools of the trade that you could utilize to really help your business become more efficient, make more money, and overall just help take some of that walking load off of you, not having to walk long distances, but able to cover a lot of ground in a fair amount of time. So leave all your comments below. Please subscribe. It really helps the channel, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.